Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. You're probably watching this video because your reverse osmosis system faucet is making a suction sound, a crackling sound, probably annoying to you. In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 most common causes. All right, YouTubers, in the kitchen now, and here is our reverse osmosis. I'll shift that to the side. And on the side of the faucet is your air gap. And in the event that yours is obnoxiously loud, like this, it may be 3 different things. Number 1, which is the most uncommon cause, is your entire house water system pressure. And in most cases, again, that's not the case because most household water pressures are very similar and within the proper limitations of your RO faucet. The second thing is your drain tube. And in the event that it comes down from the faucet and then goes underneath or lower than its connection point on the main drain, that increases the chances of suction and gaps of air in your hose or tubing. So as you can see, ours comes straight down from the faucet, and it does make slightly a level point here prior to connecting to the connection point. So what we may do is remove our drain tube and cut about 1 inch off and pull this even further into the drain pipe connection, thus getting rid of or lowering that stationary or level portion of the tubing. And the third thing, which most people really don't think about, is your entire layout of your remaining tubing. And when we first set this up, I wanted the pressure tank and the filter casing all on the left side of this insert or opening. However, for your convenience, what I'm going to do is show you how easy it can be to move everything from one side to the other side, and that's in the event that you've already cut your tubing and you don't have enough tubing. All right, YouTubers, as you can see, those are the 3 most common causes. However, you may need to reroute your plumbing underneath the sink. That's okay. We've got a step-by-step video on how to do that, and that is scrolling above. Definitely check that out. From here, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be awesome. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you at the next video.